Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this super easy and quick snowflake card using cutting dice from card making magic called Snowflake Easel card. As you can see, the cutting dice are in a variety of shapes and sizes, and if you don't have this particular cutting dice set, you can use any snowflake cutting dice from your stash. Then we're going to need scissors, liquid glue, and I've got my magic glue, and also 3mm red liner tape. Then beautiful Rinea fold paper in silver Starstruck, Sapphire Starstruck, Arctic, silver, and the most amazing Arctic Starstruck. I absolutely love it. Then we're going to need 300 GSM, white card, and a scoring board. To make sure that our card base is big enough, I'm going to measure the size of my biggest snowflake, and I'm going to create a score line with my scoring tool. And this way you will make sure the card is perfect for today's project. And as I said before, if you don't have this set, you can use any cutting dice from your stash. When you create a base, just make sure you leave a gap where the fold is. This way you will make sure that you can open the card easily. And I'm going to use my low tack tape because I don't want my die to move when I put it through a die cutting machine. Now I'm going to get rid of the excess of white card, which I can use later for any other project. And then I'm going to die cut the same snowflake from 300 GSM white card again, and that will be our background for today's card. And then I'm going to die cut all those beautiful snowflake elements from Rinea fold papers, and I'm going to start with silver. Super beautiful, and as you can see, it catches the light amazingly. Now I've got this beautiful Arctic Starstruck, and I'm going to die cut the smallest snowflake. Super beautiful. And in the description down below, I left 10% off coupon code for you using my code CRAFTINGWITHQL. And if you have never used Rinea fold papers, maybe that is the best time to try, and maybe they'll be the perfect Christmas gift for a card maker or crafter you know. And what's really good about Rinea fold paper, first, it catches the light beautifully, it holds the shape, and you can actually twist and move the paper, and yes, it is so beautiful, and it's super thin. So actually you can die cut the same element from 4 Rinea fold papers at the same time. So yes, you save time. And I'm going to use my magic glue, liquid glue, one and only, just to make sure everything is attached properly and I have enough time to maneuver all my elements. In the top right corner you can also check my Rinea Snowflake Wreath, which I created last week. If you haven't seen that yet, please check it out because it actually matches this card beautifully. I wonder, have you ever created snowflake cards like this before? If you have, please leave the link in the comments down below so I can check it out. I wonder, what is your favorite color combination for snowflakes? I think these Rinea fold papers actually go so well with any snowflake projects you can create, and they are perfect for any card making, home decor, or literally anything you want. They are just so beautiful. Have you ever used Rinea fold papers in your card making projects? Please let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm going to attach those small diamonds, and I think they add so much to this card because they give that beautiful wintry contrast, and I really like about this project that you can actually mix and match any Rinea fold papers, and that beautiful Starstruck pattern is simply gorgeous. I'm not really sure if you can see it in the camera, but in real life the pattern is literally beautiful. And also in the description down below I left the links to Rinea website, the design team, so check all the ladies' websites and YouTube channels because they create so many beautiful projects. And I also left links to all my written tutorials for Rinea. I really hope you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget that every Thursday I still create some Christmas projects until the Christmas Eve. So please check it out because I've got lots of different ideas. And when our panel is done, we're going to attach it to our card base, and literally that's it for today's project. Super quick and simple, and I think the entire project took me 10 minutes. So yes, you can use it for any last minute Christmas cards this year, and I really hope this video will inspire you to actually use that idea. Please let me know, what do you think about this snowflake card? There is some space to write your message inside, so yes, you can also use it as a tag as well. On the left and on the right, you can also check my other Rinea projects. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. See you in the next video. Bye!